My respectable friends, let's imagine a situation that we are working in a plant where there is no stoppage, no slow running, and no defect in the product manufactured, and there is no accident as well. So how would you feel at that situation? And I think this is the dream organizations for everybody. Yes, my dear friend, let me take the privilege of inviting you in this platform just to share some ideas about the dream plant. So how would you like to see the dream plant and how it can be achieved? What's your idea? Let me tell you something, a concept which was adopted by the Japanese in the year of the 1951. This is called T.P.M. T.P.M means a total productive maintenance. So in this total productive maintenance, the earlier concept was that I operate, you maintain. That was gone. In the T.P.M, it is the involvement of everybody, and that's why the effectiveness is quite high wherever this T.P.M is implemented, because this is all-round participation of everybody. So that means I operate and I maintain. It's quite natural and it is practical also. In our childhood, I myself has experienced when I used to run my bicycle. That times I was the best person to judge whether my bicycle is normal or there are some defect. And in case of any small defects, some abnormal sound in the carriers or in the chain guards, in that case I used to fix it by own screwdrivers, tightening. And if there is some sound which might be lack of greasing, lack of lubrications, that also I used to put some oil or the grease, sometimes in the mechanics also, and all mechanics used to remain all time busy, and that's why he was very friendly to me as well. I used to apply the grease at my own. So this is the concept, I operate and I maintain. And here the all-round participations of all level of employees are there. So now I think it is quite clear what is T.P.M, total productive maintenance. That means involvement of the total people, not a particular segment of the people, and it's definitely productive, and maintenance is quite effective. It is based on the strong foundation of 5 A's. So what is 5 A's? 5 A's is also a Japanese concept. It stands for Shiri, Shitan, Shiso, Shiketsu and Shitsuke. In English, the nearest translations I can tell you that short means to organize, and then comes systematize. Systematize means orderliness. Orderliness means there are the fixed place for each item and that place must be unique. And short means the collecting of the usable items only and not unusable items. Then comes sign. Sign means cleanliness. If your workplace is clean, in that case your mind will be always free and you can find the fault very easily. And then come systematize. Systematize means once system is made and standardized, it can run in the same system over and over again. And then the toughest things of the 5S is sustenance. Setsuke. So that means it is a matter of disciplines. Once it is standardized, once it is systematized, it is the responsibility of the people involved in any organization to run it with a sustainable basis. So now you got the idea of 5S. But how to achieve TPM, total productive maintenance? It has not one, not two, it has 8 strong pillars. Let me tell you one by one what are these 8 pillars on the basis of which TPM is sustainable in any organizations. So number 1, it is autonomous maintenance. I am speaking it first, but actually it comes in a very later stage. Autonomous maintenance means the involvement of the all-round people, all-round involvement of the manpower to maintain. Okay, not depending upon the only maintenance professional. Next comes the focused improvement. Maintenance as well as the operation teams must have some focused improvement of any equipment in terms of the availability, in terms of the performance, or in terms of the quality of the machines. Number 3 comes the planned maintenance. Planned maintenance definitely means for the preventive maintenance. That means whenever time is available, so as per the schedules also, you need to put some time for your planned maintenance. And it is the budgeted. In your entire plan of the maintenance, it is the budgeted item. The planned maintenance, you need to care properly with lubrication tightness and checking for the wear and tear of the matching components, and if required, you must have to replace it. Number 4 is the quality maintenance. Quality again comes that what you are doing, it must be rather the first time right. That means skills of the people must be adequate to make it right, not to give any chance. If required, check it once, twice, thrice, but never let failure happen after you have done. Next comes number 5, the early equipment maintenance. Early equipment maintenance means if you think something and if you predict some things by means of condition-based monitoring, you can take it early so that you can avoid the further breakdowns in future, which might be quite effective in terms of lost downtimes and the loss of the production. And it is also said that one stitch in time might save another 9. It's quite applicable in the industry as well. So why not to adopt this? Then comes the training and the knowledge sharing. In these conditions of the intermixings of the different professionals, operation people also learn some things about maintenance, and the maintenance people also learn something operations, and they understand each other requirement. And it's the great idea to share the knowledge, and with the meaningful discussion and the friendly way, we can improve the relationships in the industry as well. Definitely, next comes C, number 7. Number 7 comes, C means safety, health and environment. It's a dream for everybody to work in a safe plant, safe factory. And it is always desirable that employee must be healthy. so that they can be energetic enough to put their full effort and enthusiasm in their jobs. And environment also must be free from pollution, because this pollution creates health hazards, and this creates the irritation and many other complexities. And number 8, last but not the least, it is also very much effective if we can implement properly, that is the T.P.M, total productive maintenance, in administration as well. Sometimes for a hardcore professional maintenance engineer like me faces many obstacles, many hurdles in the administration department because of approval, because of delay in approval of certain things which must we get in proper time. Ultimately what happens? We are affected because of the delay. We will get, but in the meantime we can lose sometimes, and because of compromisations there might be some more harm in the time being in the equipment. So now you understood that what are the pillars of the T.P.M. Now let me describe about the benefits. What do you think so far? Is it beneficial or not? If it is not beneficial, then why the companies, why the organizations, they are adopting it? Let me tell you the benefits one by one. You might have heard about OEE, overall equipment effectiveness. I am not going to describe in detail, but just for instance, for your knowledge, OEE consists of the 3 distinct parts. One is the availability part, and another is the production part, and another is the quality part. So product of these 3 ratios are called overall equipment efficiency, effectiveness. Definitely overall equipment effectiveness increases wherever T.P.M is adopted. Number 2, if there is less breakdown, definitely cost of production is also minimized. Number 3, the cleanliness everywhere, the clean environment. The clean environment, apart from identifying the fault earliest, it keeps our mind also free from any sorts of clutter. And definitely number 4, quality improves. So these are the direct benefits. Let me tell you some indirect benefit, that means intangible benefit. Intangible benefit, definitely the interactions between the different functional people, operation and maintenance, improves, and thereby the group synergy also improves. The relationship improves, group synergy improves. That means as a whole in an industry, people will work as a team with the same mission, with the same vision to produce the quality product without any loss. And again I told that it is quite important. People attitude will also another intangible benefit, because people are bound to adopt some positive attitudes wherever this T.P.M is implemented successfully. And you know, this positiveness, positive attitude is also contagious, just like negative attitudes. People are happy. People always think in a meaningful way to innovate, to inculcate some more creative ideas, so that it must be more effective for the future. So, my dear awesome, honorable and the respectable viewers, I think you have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment in the comment box. Your comments, your feedbacks is very valuable for me so that I can improve and I will be successful in imparting more and more knowledge about some quality matter. It will inspire me, it will instigate me. Stay awesome, stay happy, stay productive, stay always jovial and smiling. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude that image of 8 pillars of TPM was taken from a high-tech-pedia. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe the channel. Your subscription is my inspiration.